Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. In this video we're going to specifically focus on IP addresses. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. As we've been discussing in this series, we have different portions of everything that we're going to go over. In this video, it's going to be focused on IP addresses. And so what we're going to do is show you how to update your IP address two different ways. We're going to show you DHCP and static. Let's get going.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to configure your IP address via DHCP and static IP. DHCP and static IP are the two ways that you'll use to configure your IP address. DHCP will automatically assign an IP address, subnet mask, and DNS, while static IP is more of a manual way to set up your IP where you'll have to enter an IP address, subnet mask, and DNS. First, let's show you how to set up your IP address via DHCP. Go ahead and boot up your server, and during post, press the delete key to enter setup. Once you're in setup, use the arrow keys to navigate to the BMC tab. Go ahead and scroll down to BMC Network Configuration and press enter. Then press enter to select Update BMC LAN Configuration. Then go ahead and select Yes. Scroll down to the configuration address source and press enter. Change the source from static to DHCP and press enter. Now your IP address has been configured via DHCP. Next, we will go ahead and show you how to set up a static IP. Same process for the most part. Boot up your server, and during post, press the delete key to enter setup. Once you're in setup, use the arrow keys to navigate to the BMC tab. Scroll down to BMC Network Configuration and press enter to select it. Then press enter to select Update BMC LAN Configuration, and then select Yes. Scroll down to Configuration Address Source and press enter, then select Static. One thing you will need to be sure of is that the IP address you want to use is available in order for this configuration to work. And scroll down to Station IP address and press enter to begin entering in your IP address. For us, we will enter 172.16.50.107. Once you have your IP address entered, go ahead and press enter, then scroll down one level to subnet mask and press enter to begin putting in your subnet mask. Ours will be 255.255.254.0. Then press enter. Scroll down to gateway IP address and press enter to begin putting in the gateway IP address. Ours will be 172.16.50.1. Now we can go ahead and press F4 to save and exit, and then go ahead and select yes, and your server will reboot. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your IP address via DHCP and static IP.
Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom-built Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, ASRock, Dell, HPE, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.